Hi everyone, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I'll show you how to fix the Settings app not opening in Windows. So, let's get started. First, restart your PC. This might sound simple, but many times the Settings app fails to open due to a temporary system glitch, and a restart can fix it instantly. If that doesn't work, click on the Start menu, type Settings, then right-click on it and select App Settings. Scroll down and click Repair. If the issue is still there, click Reset. Don't worry, this won't delete your personal files. Next, let's fix system errors using Command Prompt. Click Start, type Command Prompt, right-click on it, and choose Run as administrator. Now type SFC/scanow and press Enter. Wait for the scan to complete. This repairs corrupted Windows files. If settings still won't open, check for Windows updates. Open Windows Update and install any pending updates, as outdated files can cause system apps to stop working. And that's it. These steps should fix the Settings app not opening in Windows. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell icon for more Windows tips. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.